a layer of dark chocolate filling, and a smooth rum-flavored custard of chiffon topping, garnished with whipped cream. What? You think a little butter can keep me away? I don't think so. Do I have black on my bottom? Let me look. You guys crack me up every time. Do we need black bottoms to make this? I don't think so. Let me ask AI. AI said 12 ounces or 340 grams. Does this skirt make my butt look big? You're good. There's no black bottom in the ocean floor either. Let's go get some happy rum for this pie. I like rum better than whiskey. Add in a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and pulverize them. Add in 1/2 cup of melted butter and let it run a bit to soak in. Now, gradually work it around the pan and up the sides. You can make this smashing part with a rolling pin and bag, but the pieces won't come out as fine. And bake for 10 minutes. Now, how do we spoil this dish? What do we have here? Bon appetit. Hit. Ah, my life in France, Julia Child. First, separate your eggs. The whites go in your metal mixer bowl to make Swiss meringue later. And make sure your bowl is super clean, or all you'll get is egg white soup. Now, on the top part of a double boiler, and you'll see what that is in a minute too, whisk together 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then drizzle in your hot milk. Place your bowl over a pan of boiling water and stir constantly. It'll start to thicken when the heat gets close to 160 degrees. And yes, this is your double boiler. La 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 la! La 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 la! To add the yolks in without making scrambled eggs, we temper them. This is where you take 1/2 the hot mixture and slowly pour it into your yolk mixture while mixing the yolks constantly. Then pour it back in to your double boiler bowl and stir it. It'll thicken right up when it gets to between 160 and 180 degrees. If you go hotter, your egg proteins will revolt and clump up. Stir in the gelatin that you've bleamed in water for 5 minutes. And divide it in half. Hey, just blows them all up. A trainload of dynamite and C4 should do just the trick. Blow up the entire kitchen! That will put those loonies out of business for good. Hey, Jeannie, what's down there? Oh no, it's Nadia on the train to destruction. We can't let that happen. Big Val, run, Big Val! She can't hear us out here. We have to do something. Add 2 ounces of chocolate to one of them and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is the black bottom. Hey, hey, hey! Bombs away! In your mixer bowl of whites, add 1/2 cup of sugar. Place that over your hot water pan, and this is how we make Swiss meringue. Heat this to 160 degrees. Yep, that's the pasteurizing temperature. Way back when, they used to eat raw egg whites in this. I don't know. It looks like snot at first, but it'll loosen up a lot. This part only takes 5 minutes. Yeah! Whee! Oh! Then place it on your mixer bowl and whisk to stiff peaks. Oops, we almost forgot about the happy rum. Nope, that's soft peaks. There you go. See the mountain peaks in the bowl? Fold your Swiss meringue into the remaining custard half. You probably heard of Swiss meringue buttercream. This is the first step before cooling it down and adding the butter. Put it on top and place a piece of plastic wrap over it so skin doesn't form. And chill it in the fridge for at least 5 hours or overnight. This is the perfect make-ahead pie. And right before serving, whisk up 1 cup of heavy cream. And by the way, if you buy ultra pasteurized heavy cream, it lasts a lot longer in the fridge. And a 1/4 cup of sugar. If you like this video, share it on Facebook.